Okay, in this video, we're going to see a side-by-side view of the leader, the leader's view or the leader's perspective and attendee's perspective. So everything we looked at prior to this in previous videos was more about the leader setup. Now it's showtime and we're in our second hour meeting and the leader is going to, lead a discussion or instruct the group. Now, in my case, because I'm doing this on a desktop, not actual phones, so that I can show them side by side, I'm not able to scan from the attendee uh, instance. So I'm just going to enter the session code here and click on join session group. And this is, so if I go look at the setup here, right? Attendees enter name at check-in, that's optional. So it's not required, but I'm going to go ahead and enter my name and click I'm here. And you'll see as soon as I join, I'm automatically assigned to a group. Okay, in this case, the setting is a number of groups, and there's 6 of those. As a leader, I can click on this and see how my groups are configured, who's in what group. Okay. I can also go back here and say, for some reason, I want to change it. Say I want to change this to target group size, and I only want 5. To be honest, I don't remember 6, 5. Yeah. Well, let's see. I'm not sure. Let me go back here just to be sure. I'm going to rebalance and confirm and now go look. Okay, yeah, there we go. So now that's rebalanced, reassigned everybody to a different group. Okay, so there's my groups. I'm going to go back to my discussion prompts. So as soon as I go to discussion prompt as a leader and don't have anything shared, then this is what the attendees see on their screens. Okay. Now I've got some of this. I've been playing around with this, so some of this I can see that some group, one of 7 groups, has already discussed this prompt right here. Let me click on go live there. So that's a prompt, right? And let me see if I go look at this group. Yeah, see this group right here, group 4. Group 4 has completed prompt 1, prompt 2, and prompt 3. Because I've been playing around. This is a demo, kind of a demo instance that I've set up. And I've been playing around with this, so that's why that. But for any group that hasn't discussed, they're presented with the prompt, and when they're done discussing, this isn't a timed prompt. If it was a timed prompt, I could, as a leader, I can say this is what I want. I think I might have to end live, and then go live. Yeah, there we go. So now you can see on the attendee view, on the attendee screen, they see how much time they have remaining. They see their prompt. And if the leader has set it up that way, that's this auto advance button allows, basically enables this button right here. We're done discussing. So when they're done, this means, see it says the next assigned topic will open automatically. So they click on that and they are presented with their next prompt. Okay, that's how that works. Now, I also want to demonstrate the pin functionality. So these are all images. okay? And they're all pinned, which means they remain visible on the attendees' views. So the attendees can see all of these images that you're sharing. Okay, happens to be about the story of Job. Okay, so all of these are visible because that's what as a leader, that's is what I wanted. I set it up that way. So that's why I pinned them so that they remain visible. Okay, let me clear everything. So it goes back to they're just waiting for the leader to share something else. But I think that that's really, so yeah, see here with more multiple groups now, I can assign prompts to specific groups if I want, or I can just have all groups seeing the same prompt. Okay, here's an example of a video, right? The attendee simply clicks on that, and the leader, but the attendee doesn't have any play buttons. That's all the leader has
As we
control
have
of that.
this moment of adjustment, Sunday pattern in church,
So I'm playing it two different on the leader and the attendee at the same time. But you will have, everybody has their own phone. Everybody, not everybody is in perfect sync, and so that is an issue. Just to be aware, when you share a video on everybody's phone and everybody has their volume up, then that's going to be a little bit of an issue. But I hope that gives you an idea of how this can be used. I maybe should show if you're sharing an image, the way to do that is, let me go back to an image that's on the internet. See this copy image address? So if I copy that and I go here, let me just add a new prompt. I'm going to do this, add custom, and then I'm going to paste that, what I just shared, and whoops. This is Christ. And children, we'll say. And save that. Okay. And now if I go live on that, see that is shared to the attendee view. So that gives you an idea. I mean, at some point I'll probably do a more formal kind of demo of the whole lesson plan. But I'm just trying at this point, just trying to cover all of the features. There is this on a small screen format where you can change the order of your prompts, if so you can arrange them however you want, whatever order you want them. But I hope that gives you an idea of how this works. From the leader, I should show this. I can go on the leader view and see a preview of what my groups are seeing at any point in time. Okay. I hope that helps.